Hello, my name is Debbie and I'm a volunteer with the organisation BrumYODO. BrumYODO supports people to have open and honest discussions about death and dying because it can be a topic that we find really difficult to talk about. It's been a very sad and challenging year in Birmingham and indeed the world over because of COVID-19. The pandemic has affected people in many different ways and sadly so many have died. We know that death and bereavement is always hard, but the pandemic has presented additional challenges. Not being able to visit a loved one at home, in a care home or hospital before they died, not being able to go to the funeral, not being able to see family and friends who can be so supportive when someone close to us has died. So BrumYODO has been working with Memoriam Hippodrome to find ways of helping people to remember those who've died and to share how they're feeling. In May, we'll be bringing a very special art installation to Birmingham. This outdoor installation created by Luke Jerram will be in Aston Park between the 8th and the 16th of May. It's made up of 120 flags made out of bed sheets, and it's been created to remember all those who've died during the pandemic and to thank all those who've worked so hard to support us, particularly the NHS. We've been thinking about how people of all ages can get involved in the In Memoriam project, and we'd now like to invite you to make your own individual handheld In Memoriam flag. You can make the flag out of anything that you've got lying around at home, so it could be cardboard, it could be fabric, and then decorate it however you wish. You may want to dedicate your flag to someone who's died and choose pictures or words that help you to remember that special person. You could also use the flag to share how you're feeling at the moment or what stands out to you as being memorable from the past year. And of course you may want to make your flag to thank the NHS or anyone else who's worked so hard during this difficult period. So what we're asking is families, young people and adults to make their own individual handheld flag inspired by In Memoriam. What we'd like to see is thousands of flags, thousands of In Memoriam flags right across Birmingham. And if you're making your flag with others, you may want to think about using some of the conversation starters developed by BrumYODO to help us have those conversations about death, loss and remembrance.